what are the seasons like in Texas? Hey, in this video, I'm going to share what fall is like in Texas because it's fall right now. And in the coming videos, you'll see spring, summer, and winter. We're doing fall now. So that you can know what to expect when moving to Texas. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard, and I've lived in Texas since I was 4 years old. And I've been a licensed real estate agent for over 12 years now. And our team helps you to narrow down where to live in this vast state of Texas. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 411 on fall here in Texas. After really toasty summer temps, Texans look forward to the coolness of fall. But it takes a while. Summer temperatures hang around for most of September. Now September, it's a transitional month from the hot summer of Texas, and it's sunny with warm temperatures. The average high temperatures are in the 85 to 91 Fahrenheit range, and the average low temperatures are in the warm 60 Fahrenheit to 70 Fahrenheit range. That means you can still swim in your pool and get a sunburn, and you might want to avoid the heat of the day. Rainfall, it's sparse during this month with an average of 2 to 3 inches. The threat of tornadoes, it's much less, but hurricanes do remain on the scene. Now listen, most impacted areas are in the southern parts of Houston, the Gulf Coast, and eastern sections of the state. September is a good time to explore the state parks, enjoy evening cookouts, and take in a high school football game, because you know that we're all about football here. And temperatures gradually cool down by the end of the month. Now, kids are still wearing shorts and short-sleeved shirts, and as for fashion, we usually wear lightweight fabrics. A jacket, it's really only needed in places with cold air conditioning. Now, a can't-miss September spectacle, it's the State Fair of Texas. A month-long festival in downtown Dallas with rides, food, exhibitions, college football games, and all things Texan. In 2019, 2.5 million people attended. And so sad to say, they did cancel for COVID in 2020. October provides some of the state's best weather days. Average high temperatures tend to be warm in the day, about 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, while the nights are pleasant with average low temperatures in the 55 to 60 Fahrenheit range. We get more rain this month, on average about 5 to 6 inches. This is the month for a few cloudy days, but most are bright and sunny. And this is where the pumpkins and fall decorations, they start to make an appearance. By mid-October, the leaves start to change colors, and the season, it is short but magnificent. October is a great time for a fall getaway to the Texas Hill Country or the wooded area of East Texas. The headline event in Texas is the Austin City Limits Festival, or ACL. Thousands flock to the capital city for live music on 8 stages. Some 130 bands of all genres perform. And to cap off the month, Halloween. Now, Halloween is a big deal in Texas, and it's because the weather usually provides for a perfect backdrop to trick-or-treating and other outdoor evening events. Cities, churches, and schools hold fall carnivals, and it's a time for communities and neighborhoods to come together. Now, you might need a light jacket in the mornings and in the evenings, but the air conditioner will probably still get some use. This is the perfect weather for a morning walk with the dog, or bike ride, or to visit a pumpkin patch. November is the twilight of fall, and one of the best times to visit Texas. The average high temperatures in November are from the 60s to 70s, beautiful weather, and nighttime temperatures are about 45 to 55 degrees. Very, very comfortable. Now this is the month to sleep with the windows open. Yes, I do like to open my windows every now and then. There are stretches of sunny, warm days and then a few multi-day rain events. November is a time to pull out the slightly heavier jackets and sweaters. And the fall foliage retains its peak until middle of this month. Now it does get a little colder in the Panhandle and West Texas than the rest of the state. Coastal areas remain a little warmer, of course, but it is a great month to go on a drive and explore this diverse state. You can usually plan on some outdoor time on Thanksgiving. It's really perfect to walk off all those pumpkin and pecan pie calories. If you are a fan of sunsets, you are going to love living in Texas in the fall, where we have a front row seat to Mother Nature's orange, pink, and purple tapestries. So Dana, tell me the next step. Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether you are a year out or even need to move this month, the next step is to fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below. In the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me of what you want in a dream home and in a community. And after you share your favorite snack with me, you will click the Submit button and an email will be sent to you with a link to book a consultation call with me via Zoom. We will get to meet online and you can ask me anything you want about Texas. Then we will narrow down some great areas for you, and when you're ready, I have a team to help you find the perfect home for your family. So go ahead, don't be shy. The link is below in the description. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram and you can get to know me a little more in a more personal way. I look forward to meeting you.